Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Now I just want to ask you, what kind of videos do you really want to watch? Because I'm happy to do whatever videos you guys want to watch. Can I get you to give me a subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and a like of this video if you like this video. So the fish meal that we're cooking today is called
Are we kidding?
Just a bit of butter, a bit of olive oil, cook this for 1 minute, stick the water in there, bring it back to the boil, put your rice in. Pinch of salt. That's boiling now. Let's bring it to a bit more of a boil. Put that on a low heat for 12 minutes. When you're thinly slicing the carrot, what you do is you use your thumb to guide your slicing, right? So you can see how the thumb's there. That's how you get a thin slice. Halve these beans. So you got, with the beans, you've got to cut off the ends. You don't eat the ends. It doesn't even tell you to actually cut off the ends, but you're supposed to. Hold it and use your thumb as a guide. The rest of your veggies, and you basically just cook that for another minute or so, 1 to 2 minutes, just until the bok choy is cooked. So put it on paper towels and then put one on top. Just pat it dry that way. When you're cooking the barramundi, you've got to like get the pan hot and then cook it on the skin side first. .5 minutes. Flip it over. Wow, okay. Do another 5 minutes. Half the rice. Half of the veggies on here as well. Your piece of barramundi. Now the way they put it, they actually put it this way up, like that. That's the picture, and that's our meal. Pretty good, huh? So you put the sesame dressing over your fish. Let's get into the fish, hey? Make sure that it's cooked through.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding?